I've been a little under the weather the past few days. I decided to design a get well mug for tea or coffee or water, definitely drink water, that I think would sell pretty well on platforms like Etsy since it combines two different niches, get well, and the other is the retro vibes and mascot trend we've been seeing a lot of lately. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to do was just figure out if anybody would be searching for this on Etsy. So I'm gonna use Erank, it's free to sign up and use by the way, just to see some statistics. So the first thing I'll type in is retro coffee mug, because I've decided retro is the style that I'm going with, and it's not terrible, not great. Doesn't look like a ton of searches right now, but hey, this is super niche and super spontaneous kind of gift, I guess. Let's try mug gift as a keyword. Since this would be a gift for someone else, unless you wanted to buy yourself a get better mug, I guess you could if you wanted to. So not too bad here, definitely more normal traffic for this gift idea in the mug category. Last, let's just try get well gift. These are some nice looking stats, even though it gets lower towards the end of the year. I guess that makes sense. So let's hop on over to Etsy real quick and just scroll through some of the listings for a get well mug. And I mean, some of these are kind of poor. I think that we can do better. No offense to these people, but I think that we can just do something awesome in Kittl pretty fast. So before I totally lose my voice, let's get designing. I've got my artboard open. This canvas is a 3000 by 3000 canvas at 72 DPI. The first thing that I wanted to do was generate a little character, so I went into our AI generator and just typed in tissue box sitting and then selected our little retro mascot preset, and it generated this little guy. The next thing I wanted to do was remove the background from this so that it could be transparent and placed on a product. You can see here as I toggle on and off the background, the character is perfectly cut out and transparent. The next thing I need to do is add some text. So I wanted to have the text match this retro feel, so I chose Modern Hands Sans and I went with all lowercase. And then I knew I wanted to do a tombstone shape. So first I'm focusing on the top of the arc. So it's the middle of the phrase, you get well. The whole phrase is hope you get well soon. Then I changed the color to this navy blue that is in the illustration of the tissue box. Then I'm gonna hold Option and drag that text down to duplicate the text box. I turned off the circle preset and then typed in my text, hope. Aligned that text box to the left. Option drag again, align that text box to the right, and it says soon, and then I just aligned my little character here and sized him in the middle to where things look good. The last thing I wanted to do was add a text box below this just so it doesn't look empty on the bottom side. I'm going to use Modern Hand Sans again, probably all uppercase as well, just down here. It's just a little bit different and looks a little bit better than the all lowercase on the bottom and fills the space well. I've got a little phrase. Just remember, you've got friends and family who care. You could put any text here that you like. I'm going to size this up just a little bit and place it below my little character here. Then I'm going to select all of this and hit Command G to group it, size it on my canvas, and then just center it up. One last thing before I go to mock this up, I wanted to add a texture to this, specifically a halftone texture. So I scroll down and I find my second halftone texture here. This is super harsh, so I'm gonna play with the opacity here, bring it down, bring it up until I find something that looks good. Right here is just enough to where you can see the halftone, but it doesn't really alter the colors that much. Now we go to the mock-up generator. If we have a product, we want to mock it up. People want to see what it looks like on a product, and this is going to be a mug, and I found this mock-up that I really like. And so we're just going to move this around and size it up and play with it until it looks like what we would want it to look like on the mug when we list it. And that is your finished Hope You Get Well Soon mug design. This layout / niche / trend / style is pretty easy to replicate and pump out. For example, you can just choose your niche, keep the layout of your text and change it to fit your topic. Then generate an image for your middle and you're done. Try to get creative with different text layouts and AI generations until you find something that you can multiply. If you haven't used Kittl yet, it's totally free to sign up and try. Check our pinned comment on this video to see if we're running a promotional right now, and feel free to leave a comment while you're there. Did you like this video? Seriously, I won't know unless you leave a comment, and then Drew will see the comment, and then Drew will tell me, and then I'll know if you like the video or not. Like and subscribe for more design tricks like this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.